What's up, YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman, your guide to all things gear and beards. Today we're going to be taking a look at another beard oil, so stay tuned. If you're a father, I just want to say happy late Father's Day. Hope your day was wonderful. Hope you had a great day with your family. Alright guys, if you are new to my channel, I'm the Bearded Outdoorsman. I do hiking videos, gear reviews, beard product reviews, and today we're going to be taking a look at a beard oil from a company that's been around for a few years, but they're new to the beard oil game. Alright, that company is a little bit about ManBasics. First off, they reached out to me, asked if I'd be willing to test out and review one of their beard oils, and so I picked out the one that I wanted to try. And a little bit about their company. They started a couple years ago. I'm going to be reading this. They started out a couple years ago with a minimalist nail clipper set, selling it on Amazon. It was just the basics. It was a nail clipper, toenail clipper, and a file, and a nice carry little pocket case. And that's where the name ManBasics came from. They've kept it just the basics with that philosophy and all the products that they are creating. Starting with their beard oils and beard balms. They have 3 beard oil scents right now, and 2 of the 3 are now available in balms with the same scent profile. They leave out any artificial scents and chemicals and stick to 100% all natural ingredients. They like to say, this is straight from the owner, they like to say that their beard oils are handcrafted while listening to Led Zeppelin, but the truth is that they're pretty eclectic. There's a good chance it was blended while Prince, The Police, Muse, or Led Zeppelin was playing, and if he was doing the labeling, it may have been Beethoven or Willie Nelson playing in the background. But they're 3 beard oils. They're all 3 inspired by cocktails. Alright, so the one that I've got is a whiskey old fashioned. They have 2 other ones. You do not get, disclaimer, you do not get the alcohol scent. So if you have this in, get pulled over, odds are they're not going to think you've been drinking. He also said that they've been working on their beard oil blends for quite a while, but they just went into production in April of this year. It's now June, so haven't been in production for very long. So what we're going to be looking at today is Whiskey Old Fashioned from ManBasics. Gotta focus. Check out that label with the wood background, the whiskey barrel. That looks good. It's an amber glass bottle with the limiter top. And the ingredients, I'll just read the label. ManBasics Whiskey Old Fashioned Beard Oil. This is a custom blend of sandalwood, orange, and rosemary essential oils combined with jojoba, black castor, and argan carrier oils, specifically blended to smell great and supercharge the health and growth of your beard. So check it out. That bottle, that label, I just can't stop looking at the label. Let's get a little shake. Scent wise, out of bottle, I do get the old fashioned. I get that combination. Comes out pretty well. I say that and then it don't come out. There we go. So I'm gonna give this kind of the light to medium consistency on that oil. It's a yellow. Now, if you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I'm a firm believer that from bottle to hand applying heat, the scent changes. So when you take that out of bottle and apply some heat, that combination of sandalwood and rosemary give you that whiskey barrel smell. And then you can kind of hit notes of that orange in the background, and it is awesome. It's a smooth, manly, it smells so good. Price wise, on their website they have this for $19.99. You can sign up for a subscription and get a little bit less than $19.99. Everything they have on their website is free shipping. Would I recommend this? It's It's a little bit pricey, a little bit over market average. This product smells great. I would highly recommend this. The smell is amazing. It felt really good in beard. I found myself not needing to reapply, but reapplying when I got home from work, just so I could catch a little bit more of that smell, because it smells so good. I put it in beard a couple days ago, and I walked up to my wife. I was like, what do you smell? And she could pick up the orange. So you don't get the alcohol scent, but when you get it and you apply some heat, you get it in beard, you can really pick up that orange, that whiskey barrel. It just smells good. It's a perfect combination. The other two scents, I'm not sure, I can't remember what they are, but they're on their website. I'll put links to all that in the description below. If you've tried anything from ManBasics, any of their other cocktail scents, drop it in the comment. Let me know. I've been using this one for about 2 weeks, and it's definitely going to be going on the beard shelf. Definitely going to be using that. It is a perfect blend of those scents, and it actually doesn't have they're using 3 carrier oils and 3 essential oils, so it's really good when it comes to that. It's not overloaded with a bunch of carrier oils, not overloaded with a bunch of essential oils, so it's a really good product in that regard. So check them out. Let them know the Bearded Outdoorsman sent you. Alright guys, so as always, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.